Welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday. I just want to go over some basis points with you and talk about what is expected this week. So, Wednesday will be Liberation Day for Donald Trump, and it will tell you some of the dirty countries, as he said, quoting, that he will be addressing on Wednesday. And also, the tariff continues, and we're looking forward for nothing other than the job report. So, this week, we will be getting again initial claim at 8:30 on Thursday and continuous claim. Previously, initial claim wasn't so bad, but continuous claim I think continued to go up. And so what is expected this Thursday? 224K for initial claim, and for continuous claim is 18,556K. So we're looking forward for that, and the non-farm payroll on Friday at 8:30 as well, and unemployment rate. You want to watch out for this. This week, as last week brought us nothing but disaster, this week I strongly see it's going to bring us more disaster, because if you look at today report with the market, let's go over to Nasdaq. You can see that we made a new low. This again is a new low, guys. The last time we were trading at this low was, let me just break it for you. Let me break it and find it for you. The last time Nasdaq was trading here was, this is the May of last year, 23rd. So May 23rd of last year, we were trading at this low. So we have erased more than 10% from the new low that we formed today. Don't look at this green candle, because I can tell you that we got a reverse. We're down over 300 points. Nasdaq pushed back up. You can see that it's a nice green candle, but it doesn't stop there, because this is just a little bounce. And definitely tomorrow, for the rest of the week, we can see new lows. We can see Nasdaq coming all the way down here to this red line that I've drew, to new lows. So this is all-time low for Nasdaq for the last 108, for the last 1 year. Let's look at the last 3 years for Nasdaq. Yep. So for the last 3 years, we're looking at this low down here. Not sure, but definitely market can go down there and start crashing. But if we don't find any support here on Nasdaq on this red line that I drew right here, which is the lows from, this was like from August of last year lows. If we don't find support here, I can tell you that we're in for a surprise. And nothing right now can intrigue me towards getting holding anything long, because each and every week we find new lows. We got a bounce, we push all the way up, but I know the bounce wasn't sufficient. Why? Because we could not pass our moving exponential line. And with that said, and to take that into perspective, this week can bring us more than heartache in the market. So, to all my long term investors, I just want to share one thing with you. Let me just find it online, because it was said today that most company are selling, they're dumping their shares in the early morning this morning, because the tech is killing. So it's the fastest record dumps of tech stock was sent out this morning. And with that said, the hedge fund run defensive selling tech stock at the fastest pace in 6 months. This is not something that is, this is, it's clear as the sun shine in the afternoon, in the bright early morning, that right now the only thing you want to do is stay cash. Because the big boys, when I say the big boys, firms that are investing with trillions of dollars, are selling their tech stock as fast as possible. Because why? The market is getting hit hard. Don't matter what company you hold, what sector you hold in the market right now, it's all a disaster. With nothing other, what's leading to this? It's nothing other than tariff. With the Trump Liberation Day and labor report, what to know this week, that is our main focus to know. If you can look over here, that all sector is down. Gold is up. We know that gold is continuing to trending, but the S&P 500, the Dow is down, the Nasdaq is down. Everything is just down, down. Why? Because of the tariff that we're getting. And as the president said, on Wednesday, I think he's going to address the nation in regards to the update of tariffs. And a lot of companies are feeling it right now. Tesla is getting it the hardest I've seen. But I can warn you that you want to stay cash for now, because if you don't, I can tell you that this market is in recovery mode no time soon. And you don't want to go through that where all your stocks are in red rather than just wait. Why I say wait? Because let me just clarify why I would like to wait. Let's look at SoFi, for example. SoFi is trading at 11.63. Definitely this week, I definitely see SoFi either trading at $9 or worst case at $5 again. Because when all of these tariffs start to hit, everyone is going to feel it. Even though looking at so far from 180 days, we can see that we at double bottom. This is a double bottom to me. Normally, when the stock is at double bottom, what we do from there, we push right up, but not in this case because the president is coming out with more tariffs. Let's look over an Nvidia. Nvidia had a double bottom here, and what we did, which is the double bottom was one and two, hit the double bottom. What we did, we bounced, we pushed right back up. Because of the tariff and uncertainty in the market, we pulled right back down. And now we're forming a new double bottom. So let's see if we bounce. The only thing can get us bounce from here is good news from the president himself in regards to the tariffs. And we all know that Jerome Powell is not cutting interest rate no time soon. No day, no time soon. All over the market. Look at Meta. Meta is at a new low. But I can tell you this. Previously, I drew my line here for Meta, and I'm just going to go ahead and extend this line from Meta to show me support, because now Meta is at $500. I will strongly watch this stock and wait for the right time to get some shares, because when it goes back to $700, I want to be in it to win it. And Reddit is something that I've been watching, but it's still burning. If I can definitely get this bad boy under $100 a share, glory be to me, because guess what? In a year or two from now, when this is trading at $500-600 that Meta is trading now, I will be benefiting from it tremendously. But I want to go over and said stay away from Tesla, because Tesla is getting hit hard and you don't want to be in the crossfire. All right. But until then, like, subscribe, and let me know if there is any stock you want me to break down again, because that's the reason why I'm here. That's the reason why I created this channel, to break stocks down for each and everyone. Comment, let me know what's going on. What else can I do to help you in the stock market? While this market sell off, you want to wait with your cash, because when the bounce come and the rallies end, you want to be in it. You don't want to be late towards the upside to make a lot of money, because a lot of hedge fund, a lot of firms are waiting on a bottom right now in the market to invest trillions of dollars. And in a month from now, 2 months from now, they're what? Trillionaires. So don't be late to the investment. Again, like, subscribe, and stay tuned.